Hey Vaseline lovers! Today I've got 15 genius Vaseline hacks that you can use in your everyday life. Let's dive right in. 1. Makeup remover. Vaseline can gently remove makeup, even stubborn waterproof mascara. Just apply it to a cotton pad and wipe your face clean. Super easy. 2. Lip balm. Apply Vaseline to keep your lips soft and prevent chapping. You can even use it over lipstick for a glossy finish. 3. For a natural glow, try using Vaseline as a highlighter. Dab a small amount on your cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. Instant radiance. 4. Cuticle care is another great use. Rub Vaseline into your cuticles to keep them moisturized and prevent hangnails. Your nails will thank you. 5. Got rough skin? Apply Vaseline to areas like elbows, knees, and heels to soften them. For an overnight treatment, slather it on your feet and wear socks to bed. You'll wake up with baby soft feet. 6. Eyelash conditioner coming up. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your eyelashes before bed. It conditions them and may even promote growth. 7. Prevent hair dye stains by applying Vaseline along your hairline, ears, and neck before dyeing. No more stained skin. 8. Tame flyaways with a tiny amount of Vaseline. Smooth down those rebellious hairs and keep your hairstyle in place. 9. For cold weather, protect skin by applying a layer of Vaseline to exposed areas like your face and hands. It helps protect against windburn and chapping. 10. Got a minor burn? Soothe it with Vaseline. It creates a protective barrier and helps the skin heal. 11. Polish shoes with Vaseline for a quick shine. Apply a small amount to your leather shoes or bags and buff with a soft cloth. Shiny and new. 12. Prevent chafing by applying Vaseline to areas prone to friction, like inner thighs, underarms, or where your bra or waistband rubs. No more discomfort. 13. For a perfume booster, apply Vaseline to your pulse points before spraying your perfume. The scent will last longer. 14. Remove stuck rings by lubricating the area with Vaseline. It'll help that ring slide off easily. 15. Protect skin while painting nails. Apply Vaseline around your nails before painting to prevent polish from sticking to your skin. Clean, professional-looking nails every time. And there you have it, 15 genius Vaseline hacks for everyday use. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome DIY tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy DIYing!